Hello English 221 class. This is a short video about Module 0. As you know, whenever you come to Canvas, you click the Start Here button. The short version about how this course works is that every week there's one module. Week 1 module, Week 2 module, Week 3, all the way up to Week 16, which is the end of the semester. But in the first week we have two modules. We have Module 0, which is a bunch of introductory things about the course. And then we have the Week 1 module, which is the beginning of the English 221 course content. Okay? So don't worry, it's not too much. You can get through all of it in a couple hours probably. All right, Module 0 has introductory facts about the course, but it also has interesting things or important things that you might come back to later in the semester. Okay? So whenever you begin a module, you click on the first thing, you read, you do what it says, and then you, in the lower right, you click Next. There's the welcome letter that you got an email. There's the video about me. Definitely spend some time on this one. I really want you to tell me about yourself, especially since we don't meet in person. This is really helpful for me. So you copy these questions, you click Submit to submit them, and then off you go. Navigating this course, you can read that. This is an important page, and you'll use it throughout the semester. I have office hour, both in person and online. During office hour, you don't need an appointment. You just come. So you can come to campus and see me in the English department in my office, or you can use Zoom, and we can have a little video call. Okay? So these are the office hours. I have one every day, Monday through Friday. Also, I hope everyone will sign up for Remind. The Remind app is really useful. It allows me to send you a text, and you can send me a text, and we can be in touch that way. It's very helpful, and it doesn't give me your phone number. So we're texting, but on my end, I don't see your phone number. I just get a text from you, okay? So it says here how to sign up for Remind. Okay, in every college course, as you know, you must read the syllabus very carefully. So I have it divided into 3 parts. This is syllabus 1, and there's various information here. One important piece of intel is that you need to allow for about 9 hours a week for this course. So 6 hours of homework and 3 hours of what we call class, which is doing stuff in the modules. Okay? So it's a big commitment to do well, as you probably learned in English 100, 9 hours a week. Syllabus 2 has our course schedule, so you can read that. We have 3 major essays. Syllabus 3 is the rules and regulations of the class, so the late work policy, things like that. We have the grading breakdown, which is always important for every course. You can see that the 3 major essays are the biggest grades of the course, and you can read that. Some of that is fine print that you'll come back to later. I also have information about support services in Module 0. So here's the Center for Academic Support, which is really great for getting help with your essays. And then we have online student resources. There's a new thing this semester called the LMC Support Hub, which you can see on the left side of your screen if you're on your computer. You can find Canvas Tech Help. And of course, at the end of every module, there is a page that tells you what's next. Okay, so after this, it's the week 1 module. Thank you. Bye-bye.